See, to understand our dynamism with nature, we have to first unlearn all the choices what we think are good for us and bad for us. That can only come when we become an algorithm, we understand an algorithm through an algorithm. And here, when I practice in my clinical practice, when a patient comes to me, it doesn't matter where he is coming from, what his lifestyle is, what is his issues, what are his problems, what he is averse to. I just go with an algorithm of telling him to eat on time, sleep on time, because there is a time when your body is totally a bit about receiving food and processing it, and there is a time in your body when body is totally into a state where it is trying to cleanse and evacuate its system so it can prepare for a new set of fuel to come inside. So this is what is called as the algorithm of dincharya or time. So when I talk about diet and lifestyle, my first projection is that you eat on time and sleep on time. You eat at the same time in the same amount of time you are giving to eat. And from there, I start refining and adding and subtracting certain things which will create that space where your cells or your body's digestive mechanisms, your body's hormonal mechanisms, your body's enzymatic mechanisms, when they are released, how you can stimulate them with proper kind of diet and food you have. So here also I use another algorithm that we only understand food by 6 tastes. So which are the tastes which stimulate a system to prepare food, which are the tastes which release a certain responses which tells your cells that now it is a time to evacuate the system and prepare it, which are the hormonal tastes which kickstarts and tells your brain that now prepare yourself to start the process of digestion. So one algorithm makes way for another algorithm, and all this together create an awareness of your own system, of how you can digest thoughts, digest physical food, and create vitality within you where you can have a complete sense experience.